Hey guys, welcome back to another reaction video, and today my friend wants me to react to an episode of Sonic Boom called Battle of the Boy Bands. Let's get started. Also, I don't own this. I don't own the audio.
Epidemic is spreading across the globe. Fever!
Huh?
I'm not talking about an actual disease, of course. I'm colorfully describing the mania surrounding teen singing sensation, Justin Bieber. Girls everywhere are going gaga on this teen heartthrob.
I get it.
They just can't get enough of him. And suddenly, Dad, the anchor bird, isn't cool anymore. Well, maybe Justin Bieber will put the bill for private school instead of buying those golf clubs he really wanted.
Just what this world needs. Another cookie-cutter pop star force-fed to us by the man.
You're right.
Oh my god! Okay, number 1. That sounds so familiar! It sounds like number 5 from the Kids Next Door. What was her name? I don't care. Oh my god, she sounds like number 5 from Kids Next Door. That is awesome.
It's clearly just a marketing ploy to sell substandard music to gullible teenage girls. Who could possibly fall for it?
Isn't Justin great? When I listened to his first song, Girl, I Like You, I wasn't sure if Justin was actually talking about me. But then his next song was titled, Yes, I'm Actually Talking About You, and I, totally freaked out. How can you allow yourself to become a part of the corporate fat cats? Before you judge, just listen to one track. I don't want to overhype it. But he's the greatest entertainer I've ever lived.
Calm down, Amy.
That was terrible.
I finally have a soundtrack for my nightmares.
I love it! I knew I could rely on Styx to be the voice of reason. Through the looking glass here, people. White is black.
Styx sounds like number 5 from Kids Next Door.
Hey, Sticks, you still on for rock climbing tomorrow?
Sure, whatever.
Hello? Sticks? You ready to go?
What happened in here?
I turned my burrow into a Toads and Dogs tribute to Justin.
Oh, is that what's going on here?
Styx! Styx! You are not gonna believe it. Justin Bieber is in town, and he's doing a signing at the music shop right now. He'll be performing a concert at Village Center this weekend.
You really need to stop doing that.
Should we wear? I was thinking about wearing the one outfit that I own. Me too.
I can understand Amy fangirling out, but Sticks? There's something fishy about this Beaver fever.
True.
Need to investigate.
I hope you ladies are ready, because here he is, the boy who'd sweep you off your feet if he didn't have such tiny little arms. Your favorite global pop phenomenon, Justin Bieber.
You're the only fan I care about. You're the only fan I care about. You're the only fan I care about.
Be my baby.
Just step over her.
We're not selling enough merch. Turn up the track.
And this is why I'm not a total fangirl.
Guys behind it.
Music industry professionals only. Don't worry, I got this.
Knuckles.
I know just what to do. We'll form our very own boy band.
Okay.
Really have to bring us all the way down here to finish that sentence?
A boy band? We'll lose our street cred. What about our machismo?
What?
Machismo.
I know, but if we want to find out what's going on with the girls, we're going to have to man up.
And by man up, you mean rehearse a choreographed dance routine and matching sequined outfits?
Exactly. It's going to take a lot of get started. That was way easier than I thought.
Now we just have to pick a name.
Well, we've still got a little montage time left.
Yay, montage.
Knuckles, stop tearing pages off that calendar.
Okay, fine.
We're supposed to be thinking of band names.
I was saving this name for if I ever formed a band, but how about Duty Two?
That's too awesome sounding. It needs to be something soft and inoffensive. Something like,
Dreamboat Express?
ew! It's perfect.
Music industry professionals only.
We are music industry professionals. We're Justin's opening act.
I guess this is the end of Dreamboat Express. Dreamboat Express? With a name like that, you've got to be professionals. Come on in.
There he is. Now to find out his evil scheme.
Your 3 o'clock got moved to 6 o'clock. Your 6 o'clock got moved to 4 o'clock.
I guess it makes sense that he wouldn't conveniently reveal his evil scheme the exact moment we happen to be listening.
Shifting gears completely. How's our evil scheme coming along?
Looking good. Tonight, Justin will debut his new single, which has 50% more mind control. Perfect. Any female within a 5-mile radius will be turned into a mindless consumer zombie, and I'll be reaping the profits.
F you.
Mind control. That explains it. Intruders! Get them!
Phoenix.
Mind control. That's preposterous. Justin would never do that. He and I have a special bond. Us too. He even wrote a song only about me. It's called Every Single Girl I've Ever Met.
But it's true. Justin's producer conveniently revealed the whole scheme right in front of us. Talk about lazy writing.
Trust us, guys. We're not under mind control. Let's get to that concert so we can spend our life savings on Justin Bieber merchandise. Don't worry, I know just what to do. Since the mind
Gonna turn
control
the
is
volume
embedded
a
in
little bit up.
Justin's music track, there must be an opposite sound frequency that could counter it. We just need to find it. Thus, the measurometer.
It's fun to bring people a long way to finish a sentence, isn't it?
It really is.
And now, here he is, the nocturnal semi-aquatic rodent of your dreams, Justin Bieber!
In order for me to calibrate the measurometer, we need to get on that stage without being seen.
Hey, you there!
Huh?
The show's starting. The opening act needs to be up on that stage. Man, I'm good at my job. What would they do without me?
Has your measurometer discovered the counter frequency?
Not yet. We have to stall Justin.
Who's here? Dreamboat Express. I hate that name. And we challenge you to a sing-off.
What are they doing here?
You should expect the expected, and nothing more. 'Cause you all heard this on the dance before. Our moves are still our harmony plan. 'Cause we're just another generic boy band.
Wow.
Stereotypical.
They're pretty good. I'd love to meet those guys someday. I got a phone for a shot. I think it's time you knew. I'm into you, specifically, girl. No other girl will do. He's talking about me. In your face.
Yo, we're bringing it weekend, we're bringing it late. Whatever we can do to keep it all the same. We're focused, tested.
Is it just me or do I only hear Sonic's voice?
Only thing that matters is that we stay trendy. You're unique, you're complex, interesting girl. And I'm happy I'm falling. Let's carve our name into a tree. It's family, what's fun?
You should expect the expected and nothing more.
That's true. Toast's face.
Drop that generic fat meat.
Rock and roll.
Ladies and ladies.
So that's what Sanja was talking about.
Musical stylings of Duty 2.
What happened? Where are we? I don't know. Listen to that sweet guitar solo.
Your power rock ballad has freed me from the evil spell of mind control. Now I can move into an industry where I won't be exploited by unscrupulous producers.
Yay!
Hello, humiliating reality TV series.
I ruined.
We're here. We're doing it too. I know you may find this crude and rude. We have to conclude. You come unglued. Now that you've heard us.
Hey, I support it. So yeah, that was that was Sonic Boom episode 39 HD in HD, Battle of the Boy Bands. So I thought it was pretty cool. I thought it was pretty funny. It was like a nice spin-off of what was actually happening with the stuff about more stuff. You know, stuff. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed this. Hopefully you could hear the audio. If you couldn't, I'm sorry. Also, I don't own any of the audio. I'll put that in the description so I don't get YouTube copyrighted. It's good. So anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video. Try first be with you. And I hope you're happy, Sanja.